parted.
Now this
What are you gonna make?
pancakes.
Cake. You make pancake.
Daddy, this first.
First, you need... What is this?
Pulbo.
Anong pulbo? Flour.
Flour.
Sige.
Put it.
You need...
Enough.
Okay. This is 2 cups of flour. Hindi pa. And then, you need...
Mommy.
powdered milk. Ano mayo? Powdered milk.
Powder milk.
Okay.
Enough. That's enough.
No, it should be a lot.
Enough.
It should be a lot. Okay. And mamaya yan. Ay, nako. What's next?
This. Sugar.
Sugar. Okay, sugar. Sugar.
A lot.
Konti lang. Kasi you will put also honey later. Oh, what's next? Ay. What's next?
This.
What is this? Baking powder.
Making powder.
Baking powder.
Making powder.
Oh, pwede na yun. Sige. Making powder. What is this one? So, your pancake will become big.
Yay.
So, you put
Enough.
2 tablespoon. 2 teaspoon. Ayan. Then,
Mix.
you mix. Ayan. Dahan, slowly. Well, dagdagan pa natin itong baking powder.
Again.
Para sobrang laki. The bigger, the better. Okay.
Enough. Mix. Now my nano milk.
Let's add a lot of milk. Para it's more creamier, it's more tastier. Okay? Oh, mix. Dahan-dahan lang kasi sa pag-mix. Hawakan mo, tapos mix mo. Tapos sasabi ko to sa labas.
Mommy, I'm cooking here in the house.
Bago mo ako pagsilosa, alamin mo muna kung ipasyan yung pagsiselos mo.
Mommy, look at me.
Natatapon. Sabi ko dahan-dahan lang eh. Hawak mo. Yan.
Wow, it's turning bigger.
Okay, and now you put egg.
Egg. I know to clack like this. Like this.
Sumong kape. Sumong kape. Ha? Huwag mong ilapag dyan. Dito lang. Wait. Hindi makaintay.
Boom, 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 boom. Egg first.
Egg first.
Okay.
Saglit. You put egg. Ako na. Malagkit to.
Ew. A seaweed. Time to mix.
Not yet. And then, you put water.
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 What is happening?
And then, you put vegetable oil. Anong tawag dito?
Vegetable oil.
Very good.
No.
Dapat madaming vegetable oil para fluffy. Now, you mix. Slowly. Slowly lang, matatapon yan. Bahala.
Oh, everything is in. Daddy, look yourself in
Diba, CJ?
the eggs there.
Sandali lang naman.
The one.
Diba, Victor?
The one you hand.
Saglit lang. Matatapon, masasayang.
Yung matanggalan, okay din sa akin.
Hey, Mami. Paano ka pala uwi?
Ako na maghahatid sa kanya, CJ. Mabuti pa. Sorry, boy. Pagka-uwi mo sa mga bata,
What's wrong? Look fast.
bigla lang ko papahatid kay Victor. Okay lang po, ma'am. Okay.
Itaw mo.
Nakamakamol siya ba dyan? Sa puti.
No more. Look, say big too.
Hindi ka nagbago.
I check Mami.
Oo naman.
Mommy.
Napayat pa rin.
Mommy.
Tulad ko, medyo busog. Medyo busog ka. Pero maganda ka pa rin. Hindi ka talaga nagbago, Victor. Walero ka pa rin. Aba, kahit ano ba, hindi ako katabi ng
Wow.
kaya nga
Look,
tayo kita, di ba?
I've got enough mixing.
Natin yung natin. Conscious na ako eh. Sige, sige. Lapit muna tayo.
Hold on. Hold on. Ew. Hold on. Hold on.
Bitaw, hindi pa tapos. Ayan, monkey. Marami pala tayo
They put a little bit there.
Nilagyan mo pa ng tubig ko talaga. Tama ng water.
Because it's a small water there. I'm cooking
Dahil mo nilagay na tubig, ano?
more. More.
Ay, ganito. Ayan. Ako na nga, para mabilis. Ikaw talaga. Ganyan ang paghalo. Okay? That's how you mix.
All my milk's going down the hole. You do like this, and then the hole is starting to go in, and then they're going in also. Not that then doing like this.
Ayan. Maganda na yung consistency.
Look, what do you need? What do you need that?
Spatula.
Extra?
Where's our spatula?
Wala. Or is that one?
This is fork. We need spatula.
Wala.
Wala. Nasaan spatula natin?
Where's na?
Bus na.
Or that
Ito na lang. Meron pala tayo nito eh.
for life.
Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mo nang pakailan ng mga ganyan.
No, I buy that with my painting.
Basta ipangako na sa akin na kapag napapayag ko na sila, eh hindi mo natutuloy pagtuturo mo sa bro. Makakasama na sa akin. Okay? Okay. Magpapakasama tayo. Sandali. Hindi ba ayusin mo muna yung mga anak mo?
Want it can bigger.
Eh,
Ew.
na natin ng kiss.
Ew. Mahit.
No, my mommy just waited for me. Why you do that?
Ito, extra. O, paluto mo na yun sa mami mo. Paluto mo na yun sa kanya. Pwede na yan.
Ayos mo yung mga anak mo.
Ito, extra
Wala
to.
ako sa mga anak mo.
Sa mga susunod na mga order.
Wala kang problema sa kanila. Halika.
Mommy, you cook me a pancake now.
Oh. Huh. What is this?
A pancake.
Paangke.
Wait, I get a big.
Paluto mo na yun sa mami mo.